All right, so I'm going to talk to you today about a very important condition, ophthalmic eye condition. This is a condition which is very difficult and painful. I'm going to talk about uveitis and episcleritis. This condition often is a very difficult condition for allopathy, but with homeopathy medicine, we can totally cure this condition. And let me share with you about this. This is often how typically a uveitis look like. Uveitis basically is the inner layer between the inner retina and outer sclera and cornea. You have to understand it's like an inner layer which has iris, ciliary body, and choroid. Uveitis obviously is a ophthalmic emergency and requires ophthalmologists to see. I talk to you this with a certain degree of confidence because both my parents are ophthalmologists. So many ophthalmic cases I treat with homeopathy, with them overviewing the case so that there is no emergency. So you can be safe. Anterior uveitis can often be associated with HLA-B27, um, which you have to understand could also be a kind of autoimmune condition. More often than not, it's an autoimmune condition related to rheumatoid arthritis, SLE, and so many other illnesses. First of all, you need to understand what is an autoimmune disease. So it's basically a disease where your own body cell starts fighting against your own body cell. And there are many diseases which it can be connected to, like Behçet's, Crohn's, HLA, arthritis, so many. But more importantly, autoimmune is related to stress and state of mind. And often stress causes this kind of condition, and that is why homeopathy has a major role in this type of conditions. It can also be due to infection, commonly herpes and TB in Mumbai and in India. It can also be a systemic situation which is causing acute, like ankylosing, multiple sclerosis, other autoimmune, etc. diseases. You have to understand this is basically a failure of ocular immunosystem because there is tissue destruction very commonly. Common is symptoms: burning of eye, redness of eye, blacked out sclera, photophobia, instant photophobia, floaters. You will see something is coming in front of eye, photopsia, flashing lights. Some doctors will call you to do steroids in this kind of condition. This is how the hypopion looks like. You can see the pus chamber there in the anterior uveitis. And it needs to do thorough investigation, including fundus examination. I also do ophthalmic examination because I'm associated with ophthalmologists. Other tests, HLA, X-ray. Basically, uveitis doesn't have much treatment. In allopathy, the only thing they can do is steroids. And I had a very interesting case of uveitis which I want to tell you. It was a very bad case. It was an acute emergency who had taken steroids and was getting relapsing constantly. I went, and when I did the acute history, I could find out that there was a history of lot of stress and worries involved. And with a homeopathic remedy, it came out of it. So this kind of power homeopathy has. But what I've seen is deeper to uveitis and episclerosis, there is a deeper state due to stress, lifestyle, hormones. And when we correct this, automatically this outer condition can get better. And we can reduce the steroids slowly and steadily. I want to give you one example of uveitis, very interesting case. A 32-year-old lady from Gujarat came to me about 4 years back. Redness, eye pain, burning. She has met all doctors in Bombay, in Gujarat. She even went to London. And she was taking very high levels of steroids. She was treated very badly by in-laws with a lot of fear, fright, a lot of suppression of emotions. She used to get many emotional dreams, scary dreams, especially of animals. And in homeopathy, we try to even understand the dreams. This often gives a subconscious window to deeper state of mind to understand the state. And with the help of homeopathic remedy, it got totally better. Steroids were stopped within a year. Eye got normal. The visual acuity got normal. She's now able to live a totally normal life. This lady in Gujarat is totally cured. There was another case who came from Hyderabad who had a uveitis, got totally cured in a year's treatment. So homeopathy has remarkable results. If you have this, find a very good homeopath to get treated. You can write to me. This is my email ID, and if you can come to Mumbai, I can help you, or we can do online consultation on Skype. And this presentation is held by Dr. Yash. Thank you.